In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Dhgate package. We'll walk through the exact path on the Dhgate website so you can see where your order is and what each status means, all in a clear and simple flow. First, open your web browser and go to www.dhgate.com. Make sure you're on the official site so everything loads correctly. Once the homepage opens, look toward the top of the page and sign into your account. Use the same account you used to place the order, because your tracking information is tied to that account. After you're logged in, head to the My Orders section. You'll usually find this in the top navigation area or under your account icon. This is your order hub, where every purchase you've made is listed along with its current status. Now find the specific order you want to track. If you have multiple orders, scan the list by item photo, order date, or price to spot the right one quickly. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct order so you're viewing the updates for the item you actually want to track. Next, click the Track Shipment button. This option typically sits near the order status or alongside the order details. Clicking it opens a tracking window or panel that shows your carrier information, the tracking number, and a timeline of where your package has been. Now check the tracking updates. Early on, you may see statuses like seller, processing order, or label created. That means the seller has prepared your shipment, but it may not have been picked up yet. Once the carrier scans the package, you'll start seeing in-transit updates with locations and dates. International shipments can take longer to post their first scans, so it's normal if updates take 24 to 72 hours to appear, especially around weekends or holidays. As your package moves, you might see arrived at sorting center, departed facility, or arrived in destination country. Closer to delivery, look for out for delivery. When it's done, you'll see delivered, often with a delivery timestamp. If the page shows an estimated delivery window, use that as a guide rather than a guarantee, since customs and carrier handoffs can add time. That's all there is to it. Go to DHgate, log in, open My Orders, select your order, click Track Shipment, and review the updates. If you're not seeing new scans right away, give it some time and check back later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you track your DHgate package with confidence.